am so happy right now because I have a job already. And yeah, hindi ko muna sasabihin. Surprise, guys. So, hindi ko yun ipopost sa Facebook, pero ninig ko sa Facebook yung aking job. Pero hindi yung yun ay lang, para siyang, yung abbreviation lang. So, yeah. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord, for everything, guys. Actually, natanggap din ako sa ibang bansa. Pero, pipiliin ko muna din sa Pilipinas kasi gusto ko nga mag-registered nurse dito sa Pilipinas. Kung maaari, dito ako mag-work na lang, sana. Pero kung hindi talaga ako pinagbigyan ng PR siya, na maging registered nurse, guys. Sorry about that. I will go abroad. So, yeah. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. In abroad, it says, my resume is so very impressive. From the start, I studied my degree, from the first degree to my master's. It says that my CV is very impressive, and dito sa Pilipinas, ayun, samahan niyo ako, guys. Ipopost ko to sa Facebook, pero late na, mahirap na mga chika-chika at Facebook, no, hindi pala sa Facebook, YouTube, guys. I want to make it private, guys. So, yeah, excited about, guys, this is my first ever job as a nursing graduate. I mean, unlicensed nurse. As a licensed nurse, wala pa akong lisensya. Unboard nurse ang tawag. So, yeah, oh my God! Thank you, Lord, guys. We're gonna experience this. Excited ako kasi gusto ko talaga ito. Kasi gusto ko may interaction. May interaction sa patient, sa client, ganun. Kasi ayoko maboring, guys. Yun. So, yeah. Yeah, I love this. Wow. So, see you in any other day.
The next day.
So, in here, we go to nearest mall. And I meet my friend here. So, we are talking about the board exam result. So, yeah. See you later, guys.
A few moments later.
So, guys, I just came back from mall. Back to dorm. So, yeah, I'm right here and just relaxing after the board exam. So, we are waiting for the result and we are talking about the result of the board exam. So what I'm doing here in the dorm is to relax after studying so hard. So yeah, it's been a while. So my YouTube channel videos are always late upload because of busyness in studying. So here I ordered milk tea, and at the mall they given a free Coca-Cola taste of sugar. No sugar Coca-Cola. So I think I have 2 cans of this. So they've given us as free taste. So yeah. So nice, diba? Ngayon lang ako nakatikim ng free Coke and free taste pa. Guys, super. So, as you can see, hindi to sponsor. Since display ko to kasi, give lang to, bigay lang to. So that is my friend. I met her in the mall. She is one of my colleagues in private duty nurse. So as you can see, while I am reviewing for nursing licensure exam, I have a career which is UBN onboard licensed nurse while reviewing. So this will be late upload in my YouTube channel. So tired, but it's worth it, you know. I never been everywhere. I never go out because my best friend is in the US. All of my closest friends are in the US already. And I am all alone in the Philippines, and the two best friends I have already married. So I am the only one single. Napag-iwanan, pero I'm so happy. So, hi to my boyfriend in Korea. So, I'm very busy in my review. Um, Today is December 2019 and still I am at the dorm. I never go home until I get pass or I pass the board exam. So, yeah. So guys, I love making journals. So every time I go out with my friend, I just put it in my journal. So the pictures, the the receipts that I paid or that I expense what for a day is I put it on my journal as a tracker. So it's really hard to budget your allowances, especially it came from your dad. So, all through the way, ng pag-aaral ko ever since is basically came from my dad. No, no, the college time, the St. Mary's in accountancy, and even when I graduate in accountancy with a diploma, and I studied again second degree, which is the BSN, until I review. It is came all from my dad sa tatay ko. He is working so hard. That's why I'm still single. And I'm thinking of my family, my dad, right? So I'm very focused to my career growth and development. So I always monitor my expense, as you can see. Um, Even when I was student in nursing, I monitor and I track all my expenses because it came from my dad, that's mine. And that's why I work private tutors while reviewing in order for me to retain the knowledge and apply the application not only on theories but most probably most efficient in application or doing things right while reviewing while studying the theories. So I applied for private duty nurse. So this is on board because December 2019 I am not yet licensed registered nurse. So I'm really trying hard to pass the board exam. So when I took the board exam, the proctor says the shading that I made is not darker. That's why maybe sometimes my score is low. So I better practice in shading. So because I love art, I never do darker shading. Yeah. So nasanay ako sa light shade. Kaya ganun. Sabi niya sa akin, mag-practice ako sa dark shade. Sayang naman. Kung lahil lang sa shading, hindi ako makapasa. So, yun lang. So, this video is really, really long time ago, as you can see. And this will be late upload, maybe after 4 years, 5 years, because I am so busy. All the videos that I made here is late upload. Sometimes it is set as private, but I never public it all. I public before the videos, but since I am not yet monetized before, so I re-uploads all the videos that are not monetized yet. So yeah, so I'm so happy today, even though it's hard. Sorry for the bed. So, but I'm struggling so hard. As you can see, I vlog how I studied hard, and you can see how I struggle to become registered nurse until and then I get past, right? So, hope soon we see each other while I am working in the hospital, because um, every time I studied, I apply what I studied. As you can see in accountancy, when I studied accountancy, I work in accountant, I work accounting stuff, right? That related to my career, even though I am not CPA. I am declared to be an accountant because my highest position in accountancy is account receivable, which is accountant position. So in nursing, let's see in the future what will gonna happen. So, samahan niyo ako sa aking pangarap. So, as you can see in the previous video, lagi sinasabi na samahan niyo ako sa aking pangarap. So, I do vlogging while studying because I want to influence those who are struggling so hard in their studies. Meron pa namang bukas, kung wala kayong pagpaaral, edi, mag-apply kayo ng scholarship. So, remember, I am once a scholar student when I was in high school because gusto kong makatulong sa expenses ng mother ko. I am a 4-year scholar in high school. I never paid my tuition. I am a government scholar. So, I always maintain my grade because ayoko mapahiya, right? So, I studied so hard. So, soon, we'll see. Samahan niyo ako sa aking pangarap until we get in there, until we reach our goal. So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako sa pag-aaral. So, I do this. I hope you do studying as well as me. So, I posted writing blog like this. What do you call this? Bulleting blog. I made a studying blog, and I hope you are going to makisabay ka sa aking pag-aaral, right? So, yeah, that is the goal of why I upload my studying blog. Like how I do memorization, how I do bulleting my notes. I do it. I just posted it already how I did my notebook done in reviewing. So, I hope I encourage you to study, not to do anything. And to read as well. I do reading blog as well. I am a bookworm as well. I have many books. That is my refreshments. So, I have here at the side about my YouTube channel, Instagram. So, please follow me there. My name there is Miss Isolde Ereka Sosa. The other one is about my bookworm or the bibliothèque vlog that I made. So yeah, please follow me there. So I have also my Twitter, which is Miss Isolde. But as you can see in the bio, you can see there my real name. I am Ereka Sosa. So I made use of Isolde because this combination of my father and my dad names. So it is a combination. And that is me, Miss Isolde. So I never use anyone name just to magpasikat or anything. I just encourage the youth. So not to do anything but just to study. So that is the goal of my YouTube channel, to encourage everyone to expose in anything else but to help their parents to struggle and to reach their goals. So, hindi ako ganun tipong tao na, hello, I'm single for how many years? I am single. Diba? Oh. I live in dormitory. What dormitory it is? It is dormitoryo ng mga madre. Right? I live in dormitory ng mga madre, which is yung fence niya is about yung first floor, di mo makikita. So, I'm very, very happy. It's a blessing that yung aking room is nearby the street in the dormitory, but it is nearby the penthouse or the rooftop of the building. So, the dormitory is a fifth floor building, which is letter E, a big dormitory that is governed by Religious Virgin Mary, which is mga madre. So, I choose this living in order for me to study hard. Ayoko kasi maingay. So guys, do not forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. This is Miss Isolde Vlog. Bye bye. See you in another vlog.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. So while waiting the result of my board examination sa nursing, I am playing guitar just to release tension and stress. So yeah, this song is entitled Again by Janet Jackson. So hope you like it guys. And stay tuned. one more time. Say you love me.